If you want to keep your skin clear throughout the summer, this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Molly and welcome to a new video where I'm going to be talking about only and only face washes. I think face washes are very basic. You just need one, but face wash can change the game of your skincare routine. You can literally skip any of the product in the world you don't like, but you cannot skip washing your face. Cleansing your face is very essential. If you're using a Dove soap or literally a soap bar that is available in your bathroom or in your kitchen, please throw that out and let's talk about face washes because it's already there. So there are a plethora of face washes in the market. Amongst all of them, I have chosen some of the best face washes for different skin types. Doesn't matter what type of skin you have, you will find a face wash for you in this video. And I'm going to be talking about all the budget friendly face washes. These are literally under 500 rupees. Without further ado, let's jump right in. First face wash that I'm going to be talking about is the Just Herbs Anti-Acne Foaming Face Wash. Now it comes with a silicone bristle, which I love the most. So every single time you're using it, you are actually scrubbing your face very mildly. I have used a lot of silicone bristles, but this is the softest silicone bristles I have come across. Pro tip, every time you are using this bristle, just wash it thoroughly underneath water. So there is no gunk or dirt is left. Even though I use it quite a lot, you can see it's quite clean. It's completely clean actually. So that next time when I'm washing my face, I don't follow up with the previous gunk that I had on my face. It also comes with this cap, which makes it a very travel friendly option as well. It's actually for all skin types. It does not dry out your face, but especially if you have acne prone skin, this is the one for you because it is infused with a botanical mix of tea tree and mint. It helps in soothing your skin, reduce and prevents your acne scars. Right now on Nykaa, it's priced at 356 rupees. It comes with 100 ml of packaging. Just because it comes as foam, you need even lesser amount of product. Next, I have this Leaf Mong Saffron and Rose Face Cleanser. Now, a little backstory. I have given an in-depth review of this particular product where I have tried other ranges of products from Leaf Mong. Now, when it launched, they have sent me some of the products. So when I was trying those products out, I did not like some of the products, so I did not talk about them on that video. But if you want to get a complete Leaf Mong skincare regime in your routine, you should definitely watch that video. I will leave a link for you in the eye. Leaf Mong actually has been backed by Rhythm. It actually has been launched in the US first. So when I was going through their website, everything was mentioned on dollars and I was like, should I talk about it or not? But then I saw that they have launched in India as well. It's also available on Nykaa. So that time I given an in-depth review of the products that I actually liked. This is a PETA cruelty-free face wash which does not have any chemicals in it. It's a very basic saffron and rose face cleanser. Very mildly it removes all the toxins from your face. If you're using any BHA or AHA serum, don't take your face through a lot. I always recommend you to use a very natural face wash. When you are using a very potent chemical, don't keep this product in the back of the shelf for a very long time because it might change the color and the fragrance with time as well. Clears your clogged pores, reduce pigmentation, and also at the same time hydrates your skin. It is suitable for all skin types as well, and it also has a good shelf life of 24 months. Next, I have the Pilgrims AHA BHA face wash. It has glycolic acid in terms of AHA and salicylic acid in terms of BHA. It's a daily exfoliating cleanser. So basically, if you have a lot of blackheads or whiteheads and you want to get rid of it with time, if you use AHA BHA toner or moisturizer, you can pair this product up with that product. I have tried pairing this up with a BHA serum, like with a salicylic acid serum, but my skin reacted so badly, so I refrained myself from adding a lot of product at a time. It's completely personal. If that does not happen to your skin, you can definitely pair up with a BHA serum as well. 120 ml of bottle comes with a pump. Once again, it foams as we pumping this up. You can see in real time. Glycolic acid helps fighting acne, gently exfoliates dead skin. Salicylic acid clears the clogged pores, loosens the dead skin cell sand while regulating sebum secretion. It also infused with yugdugu, which is a natural antibacterial, fights active acne and reduces pigmentation. I know a minute will be a lot to just stand on the bathroom, but I will suggest you to take at least 1 minute of your busy schedule to at least let this work on your face. You are at least buying with your money, so the bare minimum that you can do to let it work on your face. It is only meant for oily acne prone skin type. If you have dry skin type, don't use it. Next, I have the Dot & Key's Cica Calming Gel Face Wash, and I love this product so much that I have so many backups of this. This is just one backup that I'm showing. I know that Dot & Key, just randomly discontinues a product. So whenever I like a certain product, product. I just stock up a little bit of it. I fall in the oily acne prone skin type, you guys already know. So this is something that really calms my skin down. 2% of salicylic acid. Now I paired this up with their Cica range product like the serum and the moisturizer. I stopped using this product because I ran out of the serum and the moisturizer. This is a 100% sulfate free face wash. It helps in reducing blemishes. If you have acne scars, it will help in reducing that as well. It has no added synthetic fragrance, mildly exfoliates your skin every single time. 249 rupees only for 100 ml of packaging. I highly recommend you guys to get this only if you have oily and acne prone skin. Don't skip. I also have a recommendation from the House of Dot and Key for normal to dry to sensitive people as well. I'm talking about Barrier Repair Gentle Hydrating Face Wash. It's 100% sulfate free, gently cleanses skin of dirt, oil, makeup, sunscreen without being stripping on the skin or without removing all the natural oils and minerals from your skin. Formulated with probiotic chemistry, which helps in boost skin's hydration with every wash. Also helps in maintaining your skin's pH balance, which is an essential for normal to dry to sensitive skin type. They have a moisturizer and a sunscreen as well in the same range. If you haven't tried that, highly recommend you guys this particular variant. Actually, the sunscreen is also meant for all skin types, so that's a double A, and that feels so good. So overall, this particular range is also like the Cica range, which is one of the best range I have come across. Next, I'm going to be talking about Sebum. It's cleansing foam for clear face, which has pH of 5.5. I've given an in-depth review of this entire range. You can choose to watch that video after watching this video by clicking on the I. It is for oily skin type and it is a doctor recommended brand. You guys already know. Personally, from an oily skin gal, I will say use double cleansing method. If you're using sunscreen or if you're using makeup, anyways, you should always prefer double cleansing. It is ultra hydrating face wash, so it will not be stripping on your face. It will maintain your skin's pH and it will also fight with acne. It gently cleans your pores. It's a very mild cleanser. It once again comes as foam. You just need to press and it will just come up like this. I love this concept of the face washes where you just have to take it directly on your face. You don't need to soak it up with water, massage. There is a lot of extra steps. You just have to apply it on your face. I love this fact about face washes. Montaline C40 removes excess oil and dirt, helps in reducing pimple and blackheads at the same time, especially suited for cleansing inflamed skin. If you have active acne, start using this product and you will see a difference on your acne. Don't use a lot of product. Don't shock your face once again. Just use a normal basic moisturizer. It's already very humid in here. Don't layer up products over products over product. This is of 50 ml of packaging, which currently retails at 335 rupees. Price might hike up. Next, I have Bioderma's amino acid micellar cleanser. It is a soap free cleanser. I have used it multiple times on my multiple videos. I actually had a lot of backups of this. I still have the bigger version as well. I'm just showing you the smaller version here. It comes in 3 different sizes. I'm showing you the 45 ml of packaging. If you are not sure you will like it or not, I will suggest you to go for the mini version. That's why I'm showing you even the mini version, even though I love this product. It's a very mild cleanser which uses the efficacy of micellar technology in a rinse off formula. So basically you can see it's very watery. Not only it cleanses, but it also helps in removing makeup as well, guys, which leaves skin feeling very comfortable. As it is a non-stripping formula, it also hydrates your skin, and additionally it has a very good skin and eye tolerance. It will not stink your eyes. Mostly it is meant for sensitive skin type, but if your skin is not sensitive by nature but it has become sensitive just because of using a lot of chemicals on your face, you can use this product. Next, I have another face wash from the House of Bioderma, and this is their Atoderm Gel Moussant. Very creamy formula. Why am I supposed to purchase a face wash which is meant for dry skin type? Because I have hella oily skin type. I got big 2 tubs in the PR, so when I was going through the website, I was like shocked because you can actually use it as your body wash as well. And I was like, okay, let me try it as body wash, because my body, I like something a little more creamier. It's just a thing, even though my body is also oily. It is actually a face wash which is meant for very, very dry skin type. Gently cleanses, soothes sensation of discomfort or irritation, block penetration of allergens, hydrates your skin. It's hypoallergenic, it's paraben free, fragrance free, soap free, non-comedogenic, which makes it suitable to use on a daily basis twice a day. If you're a dry skin type looking for a very moisturizing face wash in this summer, get this. The last variant that I have from the House of Bioderma is the Sebium Gel Moussant. You have seen me using this product quite a few times on my channel, on my shorts. It is actually meant for combination to oily acne prone skin type. It will not provide moisturization to your skin. It is a very basic face wash, guys. It does not foam up a lot, I'm gonna be honest, but it gently cleans your skin, limits sebum secretion. It has a little bit of scent. If that bothers you, you might want to stay away from it, but it is non-comedogenic as well. It is also a soap-free face wash. So if you don't want to commit to this big tube, they have 4 different types of packaging: 50 ml, 100 ml, 200 ml. This is the 200 ml variant, but you can pick and choose whatever you like. If you have never tried it before, I will suggest you guys to commit to the 50 ml first. Next, I have DermaVive Hydra cleanser. It is a soap-free formula cleanser that provides a safe, effective, and gentle cleansing for all skin types. pH balanced cleanser will not be harsh on your skin, prevent moistures and essential oils from being stripped from your skin, and soften skin. So especially in summer, I think it's a really good product. If you don't use a lot of product at night, especially like I am doing right now, I'm not using a lot of product at night time. It is an ultra moisturizing and nourishing balanced facial cleanser. It comes in 2 different variants. One is 120 ml and another one is 250 ml. So 120 ml costs 1000 rupees and 250 ml costs I think 1300 rupees, which is very weird. You can save a lot by purchasing the bigger version, but if you're not really sure, I will recommend you to purchase the 120 ml version because the 120 ml will go a long way. Next, I have one of my favorite face wash, and I'm talking about Ceramides foaming cleanser face wash for oily skin type. This is infused with a lot of goodness like ceramides, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid. Ceramides helps in restoring your skin's natural barrier. Hyaluronic acid helps in retaining your skin's natural moisture. Niacinamide helps in calming the skin. So if you have a lot of acne problems, inflamed skin, you can definitely give this one a try. Gentle foaming cleanser. So it helps in removing all the makeup and dirts from your face. It is of 80 ml of packaging, which is currently priced at 490 rupees without any discount. But I don't mind even paying the full price because of this face wash's efficacy. I also have a recommendation for the normal to dry skin from the house of CeraVe, and this is their hydrating cleanser. It is a non-foaming face wash. After applying it, you will feel like you are applying a cream. Like literally there is no foam at all. It has hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and glycerin. Once again, it comes in 2 types of packaging. This is 88 ml of packaging, which retails for 315 rupees. It is actually infused with MV technology, actually a unique delivery system which continuously releases moisturizing ingredients to provide hydration throughout the day. And of course, hyaluronic acid helps in retaining the moisture. It's absolutely perfect for dry skin type, irrespective of any season. Even if you are in humid weather and your face feels very dry, you should definitely give this one a shot. It's completely non-comedogenic, once again, non-reactive face wash. Very basic yet very powerful. Next, I have Rhythm's 2% salicylic acid and succinic acid oil control face wash. It is dermatologically tested. It has no fragrance. I don't know if it is something magical or not, but it works really well with Rhythm products, guys. If you are using any Rhythm products right now, like skincare products, serum or moisturizer or sunscreen, you should definitely pair this product up. Now, it is a new launch. They actually had a different variant which I have with me. They have actually discontinued that on Nykaa, which broke my heart. It's actually available on their website, but I think they are just clearing the lot out. That's why they have some of the products. It's a really good non-comedogenic face wash. Once again, treats acne, mattifies your skin right after you use it. Non-stripping formula actually balances with your natural oil. It helps in fighting with breakout. If you have acne scars, it will reduce that with time. If you are someone whose face feels excessive shiny, like totally greasy, I mean, you can use it up to thrice a day. I have tried using it thrice a day and it did not irritate my skin at all. Its actual price is 349 rupees for 150 ml of packaging right now. You can get it in discount. I will leave the link in the description, of course. Next face wash is for someone who is tight on budget, like really tight on budget, and you want a very affordable, workable face wash. I'm talking about this Organic Harvest Vitamin B face wash. Helps in preventing pimple. It reduces acne. It claims a lot. It does not give you a lot of result. It's just a basic ass face wash which will remove the dirt from your face. I'm already showing you all the claims that this particular face wash makes. Now, it is a vitamin B infused face wash, but looking at the price, I don't see there is a lot of vitamin B infusion. I have tried for 3 weeks straight and I did not really see anything. Now, I get acne right before my period, especially every single month. It would have been such a great recommendation under 200 rupees if it works in that way, right? But unfortunately, it does not help in reducing acne. If you just get acne by not removing all the dirts and oils from your face, you should definitely give it a shot. Now, this product retails at 225 rupees. They have a discount on this product as well. So right now it's priced at 191 rupees. Last but not the least, the product I'm currently using, that is Sense Revitalizing Face Cleansing Gel. Now, did you know Sense is a sister brand of Parachute Advanced brand who actually makes coconut oil? So when it arrived, I did use it for 2 weeks, did give review of this particular product, but of course I switched back to another product. Recently, I was decluttering my skincare wardrobe because I was like, I'm done with a lot of product. A lot of product has expired, so I had to declutter those. It is sulfate free, paraben free, non-carcinogenic, and cruelty free as well. Infused with a lot of fruits like grapefruit, kiwi. It is once again a non-drying formula which hydrates your skin. If you are using retinol, you can pair this product up because it helps in minimizing the signs of aging. It does not have any potent actives. It also nourishes your skin. If you have dull skin, it will help in reviving your skin. It also helps to give you even complexion. I use face washes on my neck as well. I don't use soap on my neck because my neck is very sensitive. Neck was brutally tanned. You guys already know the story if you have watched my previous videos, and if you haven't watched, please go and watch. For that particular reason, I started using it even though I had no tan on my face. Just for the neck, I started using it, and I think definitely helped me getting my neck better. You can see it's quite there, even though I'm getting a lot of rashes because it's summertime. I do get rashes in summertime on my neck, but still I feel like my tan is almost gotten removed. If you're looking for a fruit face wash which does not have a lot of actives, and especially if you're using retinol, you should definitely try this product out. It's priced at 350 rupees for 100 ml of packaging, but I can see on the website it's only for 280 rupees now. So yeah, these are the all face washes that I had for you guys. I have recommended for different skin types. It's actually, at the end of the day, it's a basic as face wash. It will not stay on your face for more than 1 minute. Ideally, you should get a face wash which will work for your concern. If you're running out of face wash, or if you are looking for a good face wash to try for the very first time for yourself, I hope this video fulfills your need, and I hope I helped you in some way or the other. And also, all the product links are in the description box below. If you purchase any of the product by clicking on the link, I do get 0.5% commission. It will just help me to buy a new product and try out a new product. Honestly, it's not much. So yeah, that's about it. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. If you are watching me for the very first time, and if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Support my spawn channel. It will just motivate me to create even more contents for you and try out different products for you as well. Stay happy, stay beautiful, take care of yourself, hydrate yourself, drink a lot of water, do your skincare. If you want me to recommend you serums for summer or moisturizers for summer, let me know in the comments down below, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next one.